Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. This guy gets caught in the act.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Good. I was just seeing if this package was here. Sorry.
What are you seeing if the package is here for?
Oh, no.
This here just doesn't make any sense. You can have and you still want to take. Delivery man does his job. Do you think he was being followed? Gotta lock up those bikes or put them inside. Seems like everybody's looking for a bike.
I see you.
Leave now or the police will be called. Leave now.
Another friendly reminder to keep those doors locked. Before you get in the house, double check. These guys are looking for opportunities. I understand a lot of people not home during the day, but check out those Amazon lockers or, storage facilities just to prevent these from happening. Check out this person. It's sad. Your grill isn't even safe. This guy think he's cool. He's been going door to door trying to unlock doors. Stay safe out there. Keep your doors locked, please. He's featured 2 more times in this video. They're just pulling up and doing the 40-yard dash. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Please like and subscribe. We're very close to 500 subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Another good way to combat porch pirates is sending your package to the local pickup location. Usually people have a AutoZone or a Winn-Dixie, a 7-Eleven with a locker that stores your packages for you. Check those out.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
This guy was also in the last video. I guess he's doing this as a 9 to 5.
Stupid fucking people.
This guy decides to post up on somebody's porch and light up his Molly blunt.
Amazon. Amazon.
Stay out. Cojones, dale, pasa.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.